Same sky, different life. Are we building the future or being left behind? Same street, same neon light, different odds in the same night. One side calls the world ahead, one side fears their job is dead. Degrees framed on the wall, still no one's calling off. Machines learn faster than we can breathe. Tell me what's left for you and me. They say adapt, they say evolve, but not everyone gets involved. When the ladder disappears from view, what are we supposed to do? Same sky, different game. Some rise fast, some lose their name. Is it progress or just a shift of power? Different fate, some unlocked, some locked out the gate. If the future's now, then why not ours? Boardrooms drawing lines in gold, while stories of loss go untold. A million dreams in silent queues. Click applied and read refuse. The system runs precise, unfair, optimized but unaware. Numbers up, but people down. Who decides who gets the crown? We are more than data points, more than trends and broken joints. If the future's built by human hands, then we still have a chance. Same sky, different game. Some rise fast, some lose their name. Is it progress or just a shift of power? Same code, different fate. Some unlocked, some locked out the gate. We won't wait. This is our world. We won't fade into the code. We won't walk this road alone. Every voice that's pushed aside is a fire they can't divide. We can learn, we can rise, not just them who own the sky. This is more than a win or lose. This is something we must choose. Same sky, same right. We won't give up this fight. Not just power for the few, with the many breaking through. Same world, new way. We won't be left behind to stay. If the future's built today, then we all must have a say. Same sky, same dream. The future isn't theirs alone. It belongs to all of us.